Meet Sullivan, the reason I didn't get Nivea today. Sullivan, we're going to get you one of those shame tags that say, I am the reason my mommy didn't get Nivea today. Because I could not be by myself. Sullivan. Sully. Sully. You're so cute. We can't be mad at you. Okay, so I told y'all I was stuck with a dog today, and I am late doing this Nivea deal. One store had them. Most stores have pulled the body wash completely off the shelves. So as you can see, there's not even a place tag at this store for the body wash. They were told to do this until they can get it situated in the system. Apparently they can't figure out what's going on, so they're just going to pull it all. The shave gel is still working, and the Nivea cream is still marked. They haven't figured that one out yet. So let me show you those two deals. I'll walk over to them together. This is not a store I frequent, so I have no idea where I'm going. Okay, here we go. All right, so this Nivea is still marked. However, the Nivea cream down there at the bottom says it's $3.49, but it's ringing at $5.49. I've done this at multiple stores. So that's the Publix promise. They're going to give me $5.49 back. I've done this at 4 stores now. And then give me the product for free. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. The digital coupon is working on this one. So you buy the one at $3.49, use the $2 off extra savings flyer coupon, and then the digital coupon for $2.50 off. So if they get it fixed in the system where it rings up $3.49, it's a moneymaker. But it's a moneymaker for me because it's ringing up wrong, and they're giving me the Publix promise, so they're giving it back to me for free. All right, so I'm going to grab one of those, put it in my cart. Then we will go down to the shaving cream. Oh my goodness, they have some in stock. Oh my goodness, they have a lot in stock. All right, so the shave foam is on sale for $175. We have no idea why they picked that price, but it's on sale for $175. There's a $2 off to manufacturer coupon, so you would buy 2, use one of the $2 off 2 coupon, and then stack that with the $2 Publix coupon twice, and this is coming out to be a large money maker as well, like $2.20 for every 2. Let's look. Hold on one sec. All right, here's the manufacturer coupon. It's found in your 131SS, and I was pulling it to show you the terms. 1 per purchase means that you need to have 1 coupon for every 2 items you purchase. 4 like coupons per transaction, so you may get up to 8. And see, this coupon says $2 off any 1 Nivea Men face or aftershave product or 2 shave products. So it's going to be for every 2 of these. And then you're going to stack it with the $2 off 1 Publix extra savings flyer coupon for a $2.20 moneymaker. I'll come back to y'all with my receipt when I'm done with this. Okay, so here's the end result. I got quite a few things. I was making money on the Nivea, and I think I told y'all I don't like to get a gift card back. So even in the end, I still was getting like 90 cents back. So my husband added a Reese's candy bar to the mix that neither of us eat, but he just grabbed one. All right, so anyway, I got the cat litter that's on sale, Buggo. And I just realized that calendar he grabbed was 10/29. I guess he didn't grab the right one. All right. And then there was $3 coupons. Crest is regular price $3.89. The coupon expired today, the manufacturer coupon, and I still had a bunch, so I was trying to get rid of those for $3 off. And then I have the $1 Publix coupon here. So I got 2 Crest because the limit on the coupon is 2. Neosporin was on clearance for $2.69, and there's a $3 off 2 coupon in the Best You book. So I paid like $1.09 for those. Again, I was trying to add things that cost money to absorb this overage for the Nivea shave foam because I was making $1.25 off of each Nivea shave foam. Each Nivea shave foam that I purchased. So I need to add $6 or $7. And then on top of that, I was making money on the Nivea cream, and I kind of screwed up on this transaction. The manager was ringing me up, so to save time, I said I'm just going to tell him that this is ringing up wrong instead of going to customer service. And he signed out of the computer and he went and checked the shelf and he came back and he said, yep, sure is ringing up wrong. And he gave it to me for Publix Promise. But since he did that at the register, my digital coupon got added back on for $2.50. So I didn't get credited that digital coupon, which is fine. It's fine by me. I'm still making money on the transaction, so I really didn't care. And then, so I still made $2. I actually made $2. And then he took off I made $2 because I used the Publix coupon for it, off of just the Nivea. And then he took off the $5.49 and gave it to me free. All right. So then, but I did this at like 6 other stores where I took it up to customer service afterwards and they credited me back the full $5.49 because it's called the Publix Promise. If something is on the shelf for one price and it rings up another price, then you get it for free. And then each additional item, so if I would have gotten more Nivea, they would have just adjusted that to the $3.49 price that the shelf said. I don't think that this is going to last much longer. I'm going to assume that what they're going to do is they're not going to restock the shelves. They've pulled all the body wash from the shelves, and I would assume they're not going to restock the Nivea cream or the Nivea shave gel when it goes out of stock. So people aren't making a bunch of money on it. People go in and they get $25, $30 put on a gift card with the body wash today, and obviously it alerts managers who call corporate, who then adjust it in the system and send out an email that say, pull all the Nivea off the shelf, which is what happened. So the body wash deal is dead. The Nivea cream was still going on tonight, maybe different tomorrow. Who knows? The Nivea shave foam, even if they put that back to regular price, it's a moneymaker. So I assume that they probably just will not restock it. They may, who knows? They may surprise us. So anyway, I saved $49.93. I paid $1.25 for all that stuff up there. Not bad at all. Well worth it. And this was just one of the Publixes that I went to tonight. All of my other Publixes, I was working off of a stocking spree gift card. So I came out of pocket pretty much nothing tonight except for a stocking spree gift card. And I got Mission Flour tortillas that are on sale, BOGO, and there's the $1 off one coupon. I got Persil. I got all kinds of goodies. So anyway, I just wanted to show y'all the Nivea blah, because I know there will be lots of questions tomorrow, and it's a really confusing thing because we don't even know what's going on. So we don't know if it was unadvertised or if it was a mistake or what it was. So there it is, guys. Happy couponing.